So the 3DEN program stands for the Demand-Driven Electricity Networks Initiative. So 3DEN is an interagency partnership with the International Energy Agency, and we're funded by the Italian Ministry for Environment, Energy Security, in cooperation with the Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation. So this initiative aims to support countries accelerate their progress on power system modernization and the effective use of distributed energy resources. And this is done through various ways, through policy, regulation, technology, and investment guidance. So what the initiative tries to do is address an increasingly urgent need to ensure efficiency and resilience of power systems, to enable cost-effective clean energy transitions, and of course, mainly based on the use of sustainable energy. The ultimate goal of our program is to accelerate the global efforts in the fight against climate change by advancing clean energy solutions. So this is achieved through the modernization of power systems and the implementation of pilot projects that test innovative approaches to do so. Building on the experience, building on the data from the pilot projects, we can then conduct analysis, develop case studies, develop appropriate tools and guidance for really scaling up, replicating such projects. Thus, the knowledge that we gain from these projects will be disseminated and help advance the global energy transition. The selection process for identifying projects was quite comprehensive and rigorous. It all started with a competitive call for proposals, which was launched at the All for Climate Italy 2021 pre-COP 26 event in Milan in September of 2021. To pass the initial screening phase, projects had to meet specific criteria. So projects were assessed for compliance against their geographic scope, against their scale, their size, the grant request, the amount of co-financing that they brought to the table, the duration of their project, and of course, the strength of the project consortium. Eligible projects that passed all of these criteria moved forward to the scoring phase, which was conducted by the project's evaluation committee. So eligible applications were scored and ranked based on their innovation, the capacity for replication, the additionality in addressing clean energy challenges, their technical viability, their financial feasibility, and of course, their environmental and social impact. So to ensure the highest quality and success of the selected projects, we engaged local consultants, technical experts who were more familiar with the technical field than we were, to really conduct the due diligence on the chosen projects. So the process assessed various different factors, the local regulatory context, the experience of the consortium, the project implementation strategies, potential impact, risk management protocol, and of course, the legal and financial viability for each project. So this was quite a comprehensive evaluation process to really ensure that only the most promising and impactful projects were awarded the grant through the program. Planet Smart Cities D2FX project secured the grant primarily due to its strong alignment with the criteria of our call for proposals, its pioneering approach to creating large-scale, affordable smart communities in Brazil. So the D2FX project surpassed the eligibility requirements that I mentioned earlier, the geographical scope, the project size, the co-financing that was brought to the table, the project duration, and of course, the consortium collaborating with Energy of Things, an Italian company specializing in digital and artificial intelligence solutions to the energy sector. However, what was truly distinguishing about Planet's project was its innovative and replicable nature. The groundbreaking solutions that making a significant contribution to bringing clean energy solutions to people's everyday lives. So the project also demonstrated that it could address clean energy challenges in a way that would not have occurred without the grant. Furthermore, Planet Smart Cities project exhibited a high level of technical viability, implementation and financial plans that ensured efficient use of grant funds, while at the same time ensuring long-term sustainability and underlying the commitment of the project to really a more sustainable future. So in summary, Planet Smart Cities project strengths were evident in its ability to not only meet but exceed the criteria, its innovative and replicable approach, the strong technical and financial viability, which really emphasized its potential to make a lasting positive impact, which was responsible for ultimately securing the grant and convincing the project evaluation committee. We expect the D2FX project to contribute towards creating large-scale, affordable, smart communities in Brazil. So this project will install advanced technologies, including PV, energy storage, digital energy management in more than 150 homes in the Laguna neighborhood. And the goal is to boost energy efficiency and sustainability in the region. Also to raise energy awareness, encourage residents to make eco-conscious choices, and incorporate digital solutions and services in their daily lives through gamification. So basically through the Planet app, developed by Planet Smart City, residents will be able to interact with their smart neighborhood, and the app will provide real-time data on energy consumption, helping the residents adjust their usage and maximize efficiency and their cost savings as well. So the project's expertise will further enhance smart city efforts, really bring cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices to Smart City Laguna. And the idea really is not only to set a positive example for future smart city developments in Brazil, but really set an example for such initiatives worldwide.